Let's fucking argue when we set the ball, okay? Okay. Yeah. And for the last 3 hours, you've been calling me mate.
Well, it's apparent.
Okay. Sorry?
It is apparent.
Why are you so fucking chippy?
I'm not chippy, mate.
Right, Gordon.
Gordon.
James, it'd be greatly appreciated for the next 20 minutes, Gordon.
Gordon.
I'm not your fucking mate.
Okay, Gordon.
4 pheasant away now, yes? 4 pheasant away now. Let's go.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, chef.
Yeah. I don't understand what you're doing, Kerry. You're dropping your spoon, you're putting it back in your pocket. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Need any more on this?
No, why are you asking me when you're putting it on? Come on.
Because I think we do.
Pheasant, please, now.
Pheasant.
Come on, this is where it's going to get really tough now, yes? Yep. Down. Let's go. Kerry, it's not cooked. It's raw.
Oh.
The bacon's raw, for God's sake. Kerry, come here a minute, you. It's raw. It is raw, young lady. You're going to kill someone. You can't serve raw bacon. Not good enough. Not good enough. Take your apron off and go. Forget it. Out. Right, Ange, start the table again, please. God's sake. Ange, start the table again. Now. OK. Let's go. Are you happy? Dirty plate.
Yeah, that bit.
I'm not happy with that. Hair there on the pheasant. Pull it out. Yeah. Come on, wake up. You got 4 eyes. Let's go. Up. Go. Table 14. Go. Right, come here, both of you. Well done. That's what it's like in the real world. That's 1 table each out of 20 tonight. Clear down, start again. Well done. Now, earlier today, I set the commies a challenge, and that was to try and separate the men from the boys. We've got a table of vegetarians in this evening. Now, vegetarian food has to be just as exciting as the normal menu. So on this table in front of us, we've got an array of vegetables. I want you to think of a vegetarian filling for a ravioli. Think about it. Spinach, ricotta, sautéed mushrooms, rocket, basil. You know, just have a look. You've got half an hour. Let's go, yes? What's going through your mind? What are you doing?
Cheese,
Cheese.
tomato.
Work and talk at the same time. We're against the clock. We'd like a fully booked restaurant, yes? Not just about your cheese and tomatoes. So, what are you going to do?
Cheese, tomato, mozzarella.
OK.
Is that OK?
Yeah, that sounds nice. And you're going to season it with fresh basil?
Yeah, basil.
OK, hurry up, yes? Right, Russell, what are you doing?
I'm thinking of a open-top ravioli.
Open-top ravioli. Nice. And what's in the open-top ravioli?
Right, I'm thinking sun-dried tomatoes.
Yep.
And then I've also got roasted pepper going on there. Just give it that flavour, just get it going. I'm going to put some blue cheese into it as well.
Blue cheese as well?
Yeah.
And as you know, we haven't got all day, you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah? OK, so move your ass, yeah?
Yep, yes, chef.
OK, Phil. What are you going to do?
I'm going to do tomato and basil with buffalo mozzarella.
OK. And you put the mozzarella in when it's cooled down, so it doesn't melt?
Just so it doesn't melt, so we can just keep that solid cubes there, yeah.
So as it starts to cook in the ravioli, it just slightly melts inside?
That's it, yeah.
OK, good. Looks like something out of a sci-fi movie.
It tastes nice.
Well, we'll find out, won't we, Sue? OK, guys, that's it. Let's go. Kerry on the hot plate. Russell, let's go. Phil, Kerry, there. Come on, stand next to it. Right, Russell. Pasta's stone cold. You didn't even heat the pasta up.
Yes, chef.
Phil, he started blanching his pasta and you followed suit rather than remaining as an individual because your filling looked nice. Unfortunately, so far I've got stone cold pasta, overcooked pasta. Let's hope the last one at least has got something. What's that, the raw sage leaf?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, we only put on a plate what we can eat. Yeah, never forget that. And look at that. You can see why I don't change nappies. Insipid, bland, and nothing what I asked for. A simple ravioli. Unfortunately, I'm not going to serve any of them in the restaurant for vegetarians. You know that. Tonight, get your shit together. Yeah? Clear down. Don't burn the fucking vat, OK? Nice.
2 minutes till it starts to brown.
Yeah, nicely coloured, yeah? Just touch your sea bass on there for me, yeah?
It's too cooked.
Yeah, don't laugh at me.
I'm not laughing now.
No. The bass is way overcooked. It's going to take 3.5, 4 minutes to cook maximum, yeah?
Yeah.
Start again, yes?
Yeah.
And don't flip that fish until there's a really nice golden brown. Bin it. Service, please.
Put it back in your bowl and put it in with.
Whoa. Fucking hell, what's going on, guys? Fucking hell. And you're not here just to spectate and fucking go back and tell your mates what a hard on you had. Let's go. Yeah? You've got to get in there, you know that. Yeah. Nothing fucking difficult. Let's go.
Fucking hell, I'd burn my hand to shit.
Right, Steve, just for your info, it's the third time on this table. It's your first table. Right. We've only sent 2 tables. Right, okay. Both your sea basses have been cooked to fuck.
He's looking all right, mate.
Yeah. You stop calling me fucking mate, yeah? Yeah? Gordon's fine, yeah? Thank you, James. Yeah, and if I give you respect and call you by fucking James, at least call me fucking Gordon.
Yes.
I don't mind, but fucking mate, forget about it, yeah? James.
Yes.
At least come back and send the fucking thing.
Yes, chef.
Because right now, this whole fucking thing's on my shoulders.
Sorry, chef.
And if you're standing next to me, with me, it makes me feel that you care about it. Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you care?
I don't care, mate.
Well, fucking show me something then, yes? Thank you, chef.
Thank you, chef.
Mate.
It was my first time ever having sea bass, so I was impressed. I liked it. I'm really not a fish eater, so for me to say that is really, you know.
It was tender, it was moist. It obviously been cooked slowly through the flesh, but the skin had been pan fried quite quickly.
They're burnt, see? They're all fucking burnt.
Have we got any sea bass left? Because I am now.
Right, come round here, you.
Yeah.
Yeah? He's burnt 3 pans full. Now, you've burnt it. We started with 75 portions of bass. We've got half the dining room not served yet. We've fucked so many bass so early, we've run out. I'm going to fillet some more bass, but when I fillet these bass, when we get them, can we fucking cook them properly? Richard?
Yes, chef.
Yes? Hello?
Yes, chef.
22 portions here. Listen to me. On top of 75. Just under 100 portions of bass. Hello? Don't fuck it. I know you're not a professional chef, you know that. But you are a fucking bright spark. And all I'll beg for 1 hour is just a little bit of fucking intelligence.
I'm sorry, mate. Sorry, chef.
The brigade have been shown how to make the starter, but to ensure they know what they're doing, I'm going to run through it one more time.
Yeah? Goes in the soy sauce first, yeah? That starts to season it, yes? Then from there, we get our wasabi. We brush it on, all over. Then, get your seeds and sprinkle your seeds over there. We've got a sesame seed crusted loin of tuna. Pan's really nice, so it'll sear it and not boil it, okay? You focus on the tuna.
Yeah.
Nothing more. Turn that round. See the colour of the seeds. Got your nice toasted colour. So watch, not too thin. Nice slices down. Look at that. If all that tuna goes out like that, yeah, I can guarantee we'll have 50 customers that'll be paying for that. Now, let me ask you a question, all of you.
Yep.
Yeah, now you may be from Essex and fucking tight and too interested in fucking drinking. However, would you pay for that?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I would. Listen to it. That's searing the tuna in, yes? Mm-hmm. What's the matter?
The olive oil bottle is...
Lift it off.
Melting.
Oh, fucking hell. Everyone on that stove is fucking piping hot, yeah? If we do it again, the whole fucking place is going to go up in fire, OK? You guys work under pressure each and every day. Get organised, yes?
Gordon, ripping it to bits is nice.
It's because it's cooked to fuck, that's why. In the bin. Fuck's sake.
I need
2 seconds, 2 seconds. What do you need?
More olive oil.
More olive oil. Come on, guys. Stop. It's burnt, my man. If you just follow me, yeah, and you ask me questions, I'm there with every step of the way that you'll go through.
OK.
But, you know, quite frankly, that's nearly 20 quid's worth of tuna in the fucking bin, yes?
Yes, sir.
You're doing me 3 salad, a red mullet. You've got 4 bits in there. 3 twos are what?
6.
You've got 4 in there.
Can I do your 4 for now? No.
So you want me to serve 2 at the table and leave 1 on their own? Come on, fucking hell, guys.
Listen, you're just rushing. Calm down. You're OK. You can do this.
Jesus
Just calm
Christ
down.
almighty.
Take it completely off the heat. You've got enough time. Just
Service,
calm
please.
down.
Think about what you're doing. Concentrate. 1 table each, yes? Robert?
Yeah.
It's not a race, it's about perfection, OK? This is not a fucking bang it out, OK, and hope for the best. Now we put the food up. Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
You are, yes? You are, yes? Come on, another one.
Yes, I am, yeah.
Good, so you should be.
Okay.
Fuck off. Kathy Burke, please, yes? No, Nigel, who spilled that? Hold on, stop. What's going on?
The pat's gone on.
Oh, come on.
Come on,
Fucking
guys.
hell. You're going to send us all on fucking fire. Watch out. Watch out. Take the oil off the stove quickly. Oh, fuck me. What are you doing? Lawson, just for 5 minutes, go and pick some fucking strawberries. Go out the back and fucking pick some strawberries.
I think Gordon is right. I did panic. I was trying to do everything too quickly, too fast. I'll have to calm down and do things slower.
I'm not your fucking mate.
Okay, cool.